a little van build pre-reveal that I thought I'd do whilst I was boondocking in the Lassen National Forest. Such a gorgeous place I found to camp for the night amongst the trees. So here she is, Whitefeather, my van, all finished up on my very first real trip, having packed up my stuff and put it in storage and hit the road full time. As you can see, the kitchen area here, a little bit as I'm looking back toward the dinette that's been put down into the bed platform formation, and just this beautiful view out the back where I'm parked the night. The skylight, my upper windows and fan, which I've definitely been using, and then that's my Berkey water filter and the sink and the kitchen area. This is the other side of the kitchen area. Yeah, just seeing some of the details that I've put into the build to make it feel really warm and homey.